Houston Offshore Accident Lawyer and Insurance. Houston is a major hub for the offshore industry, with numerous offshore drilling rigs, platforms, and vessels operating in the Gulf of Mexico. Due to the inherent risks associated with offshore work, accidents can and do happen. Offshore accident lawyers in Houston specialize in representing individuals who have been injured or affected by accidents in these maritime environments. Insurance plays a crucial role in the legal representation of offshore accident lawyers in Houston. Here's how it's relevant. Offshore accident lawyers are legal professionals who specialize in representing individuals who have been injured or affected by accidents that occur in maritime environments, such as oil rigs, ships, platforms, or other vessels. These lawyers have in-depth knowledge of maritime law and handle cases involving accidents and injuries that occur at sea or in offshore locations. How offshore accident lawyers fight for justice. Expertise in maritime law. Offshore accident lawyers have a deep understanding of the complex legal frameworks and regulations that govern maritime activities. This expertise allows them to navigate the unique legal challenges presented by offshore accidents effectively. Thorough investigation. One of the primary tasks of offshore accident lawyers is to conduct thorough investigations into the circumstances surrounding the accident. They gather evidence, interview witnesses, review documentation, and collaborate with experts to determine the root cause of the incident and identify responsible parties. Identifying liability. Offshore accident lawyers work diligently to establish liability for the accident. This may involve holding negligent individuals, companies, or entities accountable for their actions or failure to adhere to safety standards. Seeking compensation. These lawyers advocate for fair and just compensation on behalf of their clients. They assess the full extent of their clients' injuries, damages, and losses, including medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and more, to pursue maximum compensation. Dealing with insurance companies. Offshore accident lawyers are experienced in dealing with insurance companies representing the responsible parties. They negotiate with insurers to ensure their clients receive fair settlements and are not taken advantage of during the claims process. Litigation and trial representation. If a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiation, offshore accident lawyers are prepared to take the case to court. They present compelling arguments, provide evidence, and fight for their clients' rights and interests in the courtroom. Emotional support. Beyond the legal aspects, offshore accident lawyers also provide emotional support and guidance to their clients during what can be a difficult and challenging time. They offer reassurance and compassion while working to protect their clients' best interests. Promoting safety measures. Offshore accident lawyers often play a role in advocating for improved safety standards and regulations within the offshore industry. Their work may contribute to preventing future accidents and protecting the rights of maritime workers. Collaborating with experts. To strengthen their cases, offshore accident lawyers collaborate with various experts, such as accident reconstruction specialists, engineers, and medical professionals, to provide expert testimony and evidence. Ensuring timely action. Offshore accident lawyers understand the importance of acting quickly in these cases, as evidence can be lost, and legal deadlines may apply. They ensure their clients take timely action to preserve their rights and increase the chances of a successful outcome. Professional liability insurance. Offshore accident lawyers typically carry professional liability insurance, also known as legal malpractice insurance. This type of insurance provides coverage in case the lawyer is accused of professional negligence or errors that harm their client's interests. General liability insurance. Law firms, including those specializing in offshore accidents, often have general liability insurance. This coverage protects the firm from claims of bodily injury, property damage, or personal injury that may arise from the firm's premises or operations. Workers' compensation insurance. If the law firm has employees, they are likely required to carry workers' compensation insurance. This coverage provides benefits to employees who are injured on the job, including legal staff working on offshore accident cases. Business insurance. Like any other business, law firms need to protect their assets and operations. Business insurance can include coverage for property, equipment, data breaches, and more. Client insurance claims. In some cases, offshore accident lawyers may be involved in insurance claims on behalf of their clients. This could include claims against an employer's workers' compensation insurance or insurance claims related to accidents involving third parties. It's important to note that the specifics of insurance coverage can vary depending on the individual law firm's needs and requirements. Some firms may have additional types of insurance, such as cyber insurance, umbrella insurance, or directors and officers insurance, to protect against specific risks. Houston offshore accident lawyers work diligently to ensure their clients receive fair compensation for injuries and damages resulting from offshore accidents. Having appropriate insurance coverage helps law firms manage potential risks and provide reliable legal representation to their clients. In summary, offshore accident lawyers are dedicated legal advocates who fight for justice on behalf of those affected by maritime accidents. Through their expertise, diligence, and determination, they strive to secure fair compensation for their clients and promote safety in the offshore industry.